All right, guys, this is my review and use of the COZGO sneaker cleaner. So it comes with this foam. You just shake that up. It comes with a brush to actually get the foam in there. And then it comes with a nice cloth to wipe it up afterwards. The cool thing about this is it basically works on every type of shoe. It works on fabric, canvas, leather, suede, fake leather, all that kind of stuff. So what we're going to do here is I have a few different shoes. First of all, I've got these sandals that are very dirty. So we're just going to show, you want to get up there so you can kind of see they're definitely dirty. And let's just foam this up. I'm going to wipe it off and we'll check it out. Already looks cleaner, I can already tell. Boom, look at that. Now there's a couple spots I could scrub a little bit more, but I can see this took like 10 years off of these. They're a lot cleaner already. So I could clean the whole sandal with that. Now, on these are my white shoes. I like to keep them white, but like the edge of it can kind of get a little black. So what I'm going to do is just foam on there. And I'm going to brush it. Okay. Okay, this is good for these. Wow. Okay, I'm seeing how much that's cleaning those, which I like to keep these clean because they're my whites. So those are a lot cleaner. Now, I could scrub a little bit more here to get a little bit more off, but that took a lot off of there. So that works really well there. Let's just do one more type of shoe. So the side here, I'm just going to clean these. So you can see this is stupid easy to use. It's very mild, so it's a little more environmentally friendly. It's like less toxic. There's not many ingredients in it. It's pretty minimal. And it just really shines things up and makes them look their best. It's not gonna necessarily help your shoes last longer, but they're gonna look better longer. And if you're on this sneaker cleaner page, it's because you want your shoes to look better. Well, this does it.